Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Panemi. So for this video, if you have been tagged, this video is for you. But this may also resonate with people born as an Aries, the full card. So maybe you have been on an overdrive, marami kang na-overlook, masyado kang excited, masyado kang atat. Yung mga details hindi mo na pinapansin. And I'm sensing maybe you need to listen to a Leo friend of yours or maybe someone na nag-o-observe muna bago umatake. This may be something connected sa ano. Okay, travel for pleasure. Knight of Cups is transportation, travel, tourism. Tapos ang Cups is indulgence. So maybe you were planning to travel somewhere in order to indulge. I don't know, maybe gusto mong mag-shopping, gusto mong gumala, gusto mong mag-nightlife, uminom, or kung ano mang bisyo meron ka, pupunta ka doon kasi doon ka doon ka magliliwaliw kumbaga. But I'm sensing there is a Leo friend, not necessarily, but this is someone na kung maglalakwatsa siya, kailangan sulit. Alam niya kung saan siya pupunta, alam niya kung saan yung mura, alam niya kung saan yung mas afford niya. Pero ikaw, full card reversed ka, it's like bahala na si Batman. So makinig ka dito. Okay, Aries? And if you're going to do that, let's see. Ayun, may enjoy mo. Maraming perspective mo regarding travel, especially yung activities na pinaplano mo na parang magbabago. Na parang marirealize mo, ay oo nga, mas sulit nga pala doon. Or parang, I'm also being drawn to the clouds. So maybe there's something about the weather na parang feel mo okay na. Like maybe dito lang sa Pinas yung o dyan lang sa current location mo nagbase yung weather forecast mo na parang wala na sigurong bagyo. Pero yung pupuntahan mo dun pa papunta pa lang yung bagyo dun. So there's also something about the weather o yung climate nila dun. Pwedeng yung humidity or yung amount ng pollution baka hindi mo kayanin. Kaya make sure na you know everything about the place. Aside dun sa kung saan ka pupunta, kung anong gagawin mo, kung magkano, kung saan ka mag-stay, ano mo na rin, tawag nito, sama mo na rin sa assessment mo yung weather ng place at saka yung possible na pollution situation dun sa place na yon. Kung safe pa. Pwedeng safe ba weather-wise or safe ba sa mga tao doon? Like let's say for example, merong places sa Thailand na maraming unggoy. O tapos hindi mo alam kung na ganun pala kagrabe nung nandun ka na tsaka mo lang nalaman. Or pwede rin, let's say for example, yung mga situation sa India na hindi safe na pagka mag-isa ka lang na babae, di ba? So make sure na you know aside from yun nga yung i-stayan, yung activity na gagawin, kung magkano yung travel cost and kung saan kakain, yung safety mo rin. Especially if itong nag-a-advise sa'yo na wag ka na muna ngayon pumunta, is someone na pumupunta pabalik-balik dun sa place na yun. Okay? Anyway, that's all I'm seeing here. Any clarifications, if you would like to have a paid personal reading with me, just send me a private message. Bye!